What's up, everyone? So glad you stopped by. In this chat, 15 divided by 15, which equals 1, and 15 divided by 15 equals 1. Now we have this problem, 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 15 divided by 15 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 15 divided by 15, and we can write this part as 1 over 15 divided by 15. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 15 and change division to multiplication times, then flip the second fraction 1 over 15, which equals 1 over 225. And this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and to comment your thoughts.